Hey guys, we received this most paid retractable wall charger for test and try. This is a 35-watt PD fast charger with Type-C retractable cable. So it's a 33.5 inches, the portable charger adapter with the foldable plug. So can be used for iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Samsung, or any other Android device as well. So this comes in a really nice box, as you can see it here. So the good thing is it had also have a retractable cable USB-C, so you don't have to carry cable with you. So that is stored really nicely in it. So you can see the retractable USB-C cable that you can take. The cable is around 2.79 feet, so that's good thing. And you have this foldable plug as well. So this is nice that you can easily carry without getting stuck in with stuff. So here you can see there is one more USB-C, so you can charge two devices at once. So this design is really nice. I like the design and it's a small factor one. So let's see how this work. So I just put it in the charging on the electric port, and this is my Chromebook with a USB-C charging. So when I put it in here, and you can see the steady is on. So the light is on, that indicates that the charging is on. So this is pretty good that you can also charge the laptop thing here. So as the red indicator is on and you put on the charging, in some time you will see the blue light shows the charging is on. So it's pretty nice retractable wall plug.